All right, let's kick things off with GKM College of Engineering and Technology, TNEA Code 1407. Now, it's located right on the Chennai-Trichy Highway, not too far from Tambaram. This college has been around since 1996 and, importantly, it holds that AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year.
So, if you're planning for the 2026 admission cycle, this is for you. We're going to break down all the essential verified data you need to figure out if GKMCET should be on your shortlist.
First up, let's get a feel for the college's background and history.
So, the college was founded way back in 1996 by the Saganthi Educational Trust. In its early years, the focus was really on building up those core engineering branches. But as it matured, especially in the 2010s, you can see a clear shift towards building up its research capabilities, which led to setting up recognized research centers.
Okay, here's the key info you'll need for TNEA counseling. The full name is GKM College of Engineering and Technology, and that all-important code is 1407. It's a non-autonomous college affiliated with Anna University, and it follows that standard 65% government quota for admissions. Simple as that.
All right, let's move on to what you're probably most curious about. What engineering programs are on the table?
In total, GKMCET offers 11 different undergraduate engineering programs for you to choose from.
And here they are. As you can see, there's a really healthy mix. You've got your foundational branches like mechanical, civil, and ECE, plus a whole suite of computer-focused programs. And then you have some interesting specializations like marine, automobile, and biomedical engineering.
Now, what really stands out is their focus on what we call new age programs. They're offering degrees in super high-demand fields like AI and data science, cybersecurity, and biomedical engineering. It shows they're definitely keeping an eye on what the industry needs right now.
And here's a number that matters a lot. Based on their NIRF data, the student-to-faculty ratio is about 12-to-1. For a student, a lower ratio like this is a huge plus. It generally means you get more one-on-one attention and easier access to your professors for help. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about the college's academic muscle, its research credentials, and what its students have achieved.
A really good sign of a college's research strength is where it gets its funding. GKMCET has managed to secure grants from some major government bodies. We're talking AICTE, DST, CSIR, UGC, and even Anna University itself. That kind of backing really adds a lot of credibility.
And that research depth is backed up by their official research centers. The mechanical department is actually recognized by 2 universities, Anna and Annamalai. Plus, CSC, physics, and chemistry are all recognized by Anna University. This shows a pretty solid academic foundation, especially in these core disciplines. But it's not just about the research facilities. The students themselves are making waves. Let's start with a really big one.
Yep, you're seeing that right. In 2021, a student from their marine engineering department secured the #1 rank in all of Anna University. That is a massive accomplishment for the student and the college.
And that wasn't just a one-off. The same year, they had a bunch of other university rankers, 11th in aeronautical, 13th in biomedical, and 20th in automobile engineering. It really points to a pattern of high academic performance across different departments.
Now, for what is probably the most important question for every parent and student out there, what about jobs? Let's get into the placement data. So take a look at this. This chart shows a clear upward trend in the median salary for graduates. It's gone from 3.1 lakhs per annum for the 2022 batch, steadily up to 4.5 lakhs for the 2024 batch. That is exactly the kind of positive growth you want to see. Let's look closer at the most recent batch of 80 graduates from 2024. Out of those 80 students, a solid 70 of them either got placed in a job or went on to pursue higher studies. That's a great outcome for nearly 90% of the entire batch.
And who's doing the hiring? Well, the college brings in a mix of big IT and engineering companies. Just to give you a name you'll recognize, the IT giant Infosys is one of their key recruiters.
All right, to wrap things up, let's cover the practical side of college life, what you can expect from the campus, hostels, and transport.
For anyone considering staying on campus, this is obviously super important. The college has separate on-campus hostels available for both boys and girls.
And for the day scholars, there's a pretty extensive bus network. The routes cover a huge area, from places like Ennore and Tandiarpet all the way down to Chengalpattu and Gudavancheri.
So when you put it all together, the big question for you is this.
Does this college's mix of traditional, core engineering and its solid push into new-age fields like AI and cybersecurity match up with your own career goals?
Just a quick note, all the information we've shared here is based on data we've gathered from the college's official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.